Hello everyone, this is Xratios Investor. Please note that this video is for educational purpose, and please still do your own research. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. What an entertaining yet crazy week we are in with the Aurora controversy and Altria partnership. I decided to skip on the Aurora topic just because I have seen so many YouTubers and articles doing a great job covering on this issue. My main focus on this video today will be Cronos Group, under the ticker symbol CRON. Cronos and tobacco giant, Altria agreed a deal that provided the rally to most marijuana industry last week. I kept mentioning that we will eventually see a branded company deal, and I was right because of the weakening tobacco industry. According to a recent report by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 2017 tobacco smokers fell to its lowest level on record, with only an approximate 14% use among the adults. We have also seen other tobacco company like Pixis already made a transition towards the marijuana industry direction. With the Cronos-Altria agreement, I truly believe that we are only scratching the surface of the marijuana industry. This deal immediately made Cronos a favorable and crucial player in the marijuana industry than it was before. Cronos' valuation has jumped greatly as Altria paid $12 per shares, 35% higher than Cronos stock's trading level on the Nasdaq exchange for 45% stake in Cronos Group. So, here's the biggest question for many people. Why did the Marlboro maker place $1.8 billion on this company? Many people must be scratching their head thinking that there are way better marijuana stocks out there rather than Cronos, offering better competitive advantage in terms of production, revenue, and international presence. Companies like Aurora, Tilray, and the expected Aurora-Altria deal talk would have been the better bet? I am not going to talk too much about Tilray and Aurora in this video, just because I think Tilray is still overvalued while Aurora is having a controversial legal issue at the point of time as I made this video, but surely, if you compare Cronos and Aurora, Cronos is projected to produce 117,000 kilograms of cannabis per year. Ranked number 6 in terms of revenue in the pot industry, generating $2.84 million in the previous quarter earnings, presence in 6 countries, and have landed 4 provincial supply agreement in Canada. Aurora is projected to produce 570,000 kilograms per year. With revenue of $22 million in the previous quarter earnings, presence in 18 countries, and have landed 12 provincial supply agreement in Canada. Looking at the production figure, it is easy to shout Aurora as the obvious pick. In fact, I believe the massive potential of Aurora in producing cannabis is the reason why it got new investors' attention in the first place. However, I don't think that's the point of Cronos-Altria deal. Cronos have recently partnership with Ginkgo Bioworks to build their portfolio by producing rare strains of CBD which features some of the 100 different CBD through the extraction of rare cannabinoids from the cannabis plant at commercial scale. With this reserved cash, Cronos can further increase its investment in research and development to develop alternative cannabis products like skin treatment to expand their operating margins. Clearly, this is a win-win situation for both companies. Cronos needed the cash, technology, regulatory, and branding that Altria brings in order to keep up and further improve the operations at a high pace in order to keep up with canopy growth and Aurora. And unfortunately, Cronos currently has no U.S. operations as cannabis remains illegal at the federal level. But this changes with the expertise of Altria. Altria has the ability to handle regulatory issues that could help Cronos steer through complicated legal concern. Through Cronos, Altria will be well positioned should cannabis become federally permitted, especially considering the fact that Altria needed to expand into a new growing industry to remain in the market with the concerning declining tobacco volume, which is why I think they are a perfect match as they have the same focus in CBD. It is not difficult to see other branded companies follow suit, like the Cronos-Altria and Constellation Canopy deal, as other major companies will gradually realize that they will be left behind from the huge revenue potential in the marijuana industry. I am beginning to like Cronos more, especially if you consider the fact that US currently has the largest revenue potential in the marijuana market. Consumers are expected to spend $57 billion per year worldwide on legal cannabis by 2027. In North America alone, that spending is expected to grow from $9.2 billion in 2017 to $47.3 billion in 2027, especially considering the fact that Altria generated most of their profit in the U.S. market. The reason I pointed this out is so that you will have a rough idea of the revenue potential in the U.S. marijuana market industry. Just look at the population in California alone. It has 39 million population compared to Canada's 36 million population. It will be interesting to see Altria Cronos' game plan in the U.S. marijuana market. I will continue to watch Cronos Group, and invest when I see the right plan and the right price, but currently, the stock has recently raised to more than 20 to 30% in a matter of week due to the Altria deal. One thing I know for sure from my trading experience is, what goes up fast will come down fast. Remember Constellation Canopy deal? Look at where Canopy is currently priced at. I am not saying that Cronos is not a good stock to buy, but this stock is currently too volatile for me to invest in. Although I don't think much will go wrong even if you decided to take the risk and invest in this company for swing trade play. After all, this company is backed by Altria. At the meantime, I think you have to question yourself if there are better stocks out there to invest in. Do look forward to my future video that I am currently working on, the 3 marijuana stocks that I believe will benefit from 2018 Farm Bill in the US, so be sure to stay tuned for the next video. That's all I have for this video. As always, please note that speculation caused people to pay no attention to stock valuation consideration. So please exercise the stock with caution and please still do your own due diligence. Subscribe here for more stock video and leave a thumbs up if you liked this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Till next time.